Trezor wallet versus Coinomi wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both products are in the description. In this video, we'll compare these two wallets, discussing their features, intended users, and key differences to help you make the best choice for your crypto management needs. Trezor Wallet is a hardware wallet designed for maximum security, making it an excellent choice for investors with significant holdings or those prioritizing long-term storage. It keeps your private keys offline, protecting your assets from online threats. Supporting over 1,000 cryptocurrencies, Trezor offers a versatile solution for multi-asset portfolios. It integrates with popular software wallets like Exodus and MetaMask for additional flexibility. Advanced features like FIDO2 authentication, password management, and a secure recovery process make Trezor one of the most trusted wallets in the market. While its hardware setup ensures unparalleled security, it's less convenient for users who frequently trade, as the physical device must be connected for every transaction. Coinomi Wallet, in contrast, is a software wallet known for its multi-chain support and user-friendly interface. It supports over 1,770 cryptocurrencies and tokens, making it ideal for users with diverse portfolios. Coinomi excels in convenience, allowing for quick access to funds and seamless in-app exchanges. It also features integrated support for dApps and DeFi, catering to users who engage in decentralized ecosystems. However, since Coinomi is a software wallet, it doesn't provide the same level of security as hardware solutions like Trezor. Your private keys are stored locally on your device, which is secure but more vulnerable to malware and phishing attacks compared to a hardware wallet. In summary, Trezor Wallet is perfect for users seeking top-notch security for a broad range of assets and long-term storage. Meanwhile, Coinomi Wallet is better suited for those prioritizing accessibility, diverse asset management, and convenience in a software solution. If you value security above all else, Trezor is the clear winner. If you need a feature-rich software wallet for active trading or DeFi engagement, Coinomi might be the better fit. Check the links in the description for more details, and let us know in the comments which wallet you prefer.